In this video, I'll show you how simple JSON prompts can be used to generate cinematic animations using Google Gemini VO3. No cameras, no actors, just structured text, creative direction, and visual precision, all brought to life through pure code. You'll find all the prompts featured in this video in the first link from the description. And if you want even more, you can join the free community, where I regularly share new prompt ideas, tips, and automation workflows. Let's walk through each prompt one by one. In the first one, you'll see how an IKEA box begins to tremble, then opens on its own, assembling into a beautifully styled Scandinavian bedroom, complete with bedside furniture, modern lighting, and a vibrant yellow throw to finish the look. Next, a Home Depot truck pulls up at sunrise, and tools begin to float through the air, transforming an empty kitchen into a fully renovated space with granite countertops, subway tile, and stainless steel appliances, all capped off with the classic orange apron. A swirl of steam fills a quiet cafe at dawn, and as it rises, it transforms into a vintage espresso machine, ceramic cups, and rustic furniture, ending in a perfect cappuccino topped with blooming latte art, bathed in amber light. Stardust sparkles in a children's playroom, and one by one, plush Labubu toys appear out of thin air, bouncing into place around a whimsical tea party setup, ending with a cheerful wink from the rainbow-colored star of the scene. Sneakers fly from a glowing Nike box and land on mannequins that come to life, leaping into a synchronized parkour routine across city rooftops, leaving behind streaks of neon as the sun rises in the background. A single Lego brick begins to vibrate, and in an instant, hundreds more launch into the air, rapidly assembling into a glowing sci-fi city with flying cars, transparent domes, and a tiny astronaut waving from the tallest tower. In a dark studio, Apple products rise one by one from beneath the surface. MacBook, iPad, iPhone, Studio Display, all floating into position and connecting seamlessly to form the perfect minimalist workstation, glowing with precision. A sparkling pink suitcase clicks open in a dreamy white space, releasing a cloud of glitter as pink furniture and fashion accessories float into the air and assemble into the full Barbie Dreamhouse, complete with a hair-flipping Barbie stepping out to wave. The clock strikes midnight in a cozy holiday living room. Golden sparkles swirl from the fireplace as ornaments fly to the tree. Gifts wrap themselves, and Santa's silhouette drifts past the snowy window in the glow of twinkling lights. A quiet kitchen scene shows a hand placing a Coca-Cola bottle on the windowsill. Outside, carolers sing and snowflakes swirl as a red Coca-Cola truck glides past in the distance, its reflection glistening in the cold glass.
Holidays are coming. Holidays are coming.
A cardboard box glows in a kid's bedroom, then bursts open with floating game icons and light. A Nintendo Switch levitates into view, transforms the room into a pixelated game world for a moment, then gently lands back on the bed, ready to play. A sleek obsidian envelope sits silently in a misty chamber. Without a touch, it opens and reveals a matte black card that rises and glows, activating holographic symbols that unlock hidden architecture and illuminate the space like a secret headquarters. A single spark falls onto an empty white room. As it hits the floor, golden ripples pulse outward, transforming the space into a modern designer living room. Walls form, lights glow, and furniture appears in perfect symmetry. A translucent bubble floats through a blue sky above a grassy field. Inside, toys and colors swirl until the bubble bursts in slow motion, releasing an explosion of movement that forms a vibrant toy universe filled with slides, rainbows, and joy. In a silent robotic lab, mechanical arms assemble a humanoid robot piece by piece. Sparks fly, cables detach. Its chest glows. Then, the robot opens its eyes and takes its first soft step into a wash of blue light. On a sterile lab table, a cracked phone lies still. Suddenly, glowing nanobots emerge and swarm across the surface, repairing it piece by piece, until the screen lights up, fully restored, and the device gently floats above the table. Ingredients float in slow motion above a marble countertop. Flour, eggs, herbs, they combine in midair and cook themselves into gourmet ravioli, landing softly on a plate as steam curls into the light. A cereal box glows on a kitchen table. A child's hand reaches out, and suddenly, cartoon cereal pieces jump into the air, dance in patterns, and land in a bowl of milk, followed by a floating spoon that flips perfectly into place.
Yeah.
A glass serum bottle rests on a mirror. A droplet falls and triggers a glowing ripple that restores cracked marble, blooms flowers, and fills the room with mist as the bottle slowly rotates in a halo of soft light. A sleek software box pulses with energy, then unfolds like origami, releasing floating dashboards, animated UI windows, and glowing data streams that expand outward to form a full digital interface environment in every direction. A steel vault hovers above the clouds. A keycard slides in, the doors unlock, and light pours out, revealing endless rows of glowing servers that form a digital city in the sky as satellites align above. An empty coffee cup sits on a wooden counter. A barista moves their hand, and coffee beans, milk, and steam begin to float in midair, assembling into the perfect latte as soft light and music fill the warm cafe. If you want more examples like these, check the first link in the video description. I post new JSON prompts there regularly, and you're welcome to use or remix them however you like. And if you'd like to go deeper, join the free community. Even if you don't become a member, you can still explore the full library and see everything inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.